To make a delicious protein snack with chickpeas or garbanzo beans, you're gonna soak the dry chickpeas in water for 24 hours and the next day they're gonna look like this. Now the flat grill is hot enough. I already drained the water. I'm gonna cover them so they cook faster and more evenly. This is on medium heat. It's not too hot so they don't burn. Let's see how they're doing. And now we're gonna add a little salt to taste. Be moving them around, stirring them so they roast on all sides. Once the liquid is gone, you're gonna need to be stirring them often. Now all the liquid is gone, now we're gonna be stirring more often. The way they roast on all sides. And now these are ready, we're gonna give them a try. You can tell because they change color and they're roasted on all sides, and some of them start popping up. Now we're gonna try the chickpea or garbanzo beans protein snack. Let's see how they taste. You're gonna love this high protein snack, so easy to do. It doesn't need any more spices or anything. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I upload new easy recipes like this one. Thank you and have a great day. See you next time.